going to talk about how to open a team project. So I can go down here and click on Open Team Project. You'll also notice if I just bring this little window down and minimize it, then I can go into After Effects there as well. But I'm going to click on Open Team Project, and we're going to select the remote project that we just made. And you can see the date, March 2nd, 2022. Okay. And I'll click on Open. And there we go. Now we have the project. Okay. So that's how you open a project. Now what I want to do is I want to go to After Effects. We're going to close it out. I'm going to go back to Creative Cloud Web. Okay. And I'm going to click on After Effects and open that up so that in the next couple videos when we're talking about search and what's new and summary and account, I can actually bring that to you without confusing you too much with all this opening and closing. Okay. After Effects loves me today. So with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.